Hey guys, welcome to Login Apps. Today I'll be showing you how to sign into your Macquarie Bank account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Macquarie Bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome. And before we dive in, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. And with that being said, click on the search bar and type in the address macquarie.com.au like this, and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of Macquarie Bank account. And over here, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, in order to log into our account, you can see there is the login button available for us. So in order to log in, let's click over there. And over here, guys, you can see your personal bank, your business bank accounts over here. If you want to go to your business banking, click on the business banking, but we'll log into our personal banking. So just click on the Macquarie online. And over here, guys, this is the login page of Macquarie Bank, and you'll be required to enter your Macquarie ID, whatever it is, and after that enter your password like this, which you had registered on Macquarie at the time of creating your account. But if you have forgotten your login details, you can always click over here which says forgot login details to go through a procedure to retrieve your Macquarie ID and password. And that being said, guys, if you have not yet created an account on Macquarie Bank, you can simply click on the new to internet banking register now button available over here to go through our registration process of Macquarie Bank account. And after entering your Macquarie ID, your password, and after entering your Macquarie ID and your password, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your Macquarie Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.